The Infinite Woman, Sprint 1. Initial site layout, settings layout, and infinite scroller functionality. For Sprint 1, our team had 3 broad goals. First, we implemented the site's general layout. We successfully created this in the form of our initial 2-column prototype with a collapsible hamburger menu for settings at the upper left corner of the screen. Second, we fleshed out the settings menu to ensure that it would maintain visual consistency with the rest of the site. And third, we implemented the site's signature infinite scroller functionality.
To create an infinite scroller, we made use of Ionic's built-in content module as well as its Ion Infinite Scroll module. The content module provided us with a scroll by point method, which allowed us to automatically scroll the page down. The Ion Infinite Scroll module provided us with the ability to load additional text once the user has scrolled a certain amount on the page. By nesting these two modules together and combining their functionality, we were able to create the automatically scrolling infinite scroller seen here.
Additionally, we decided to slightly change our plans for file architecture and site management for this project. Rather than using Bootstrap, we opted to use Angular to organize our site's layout. Where Bootstrap would have kept all of the site's components within a singular index.html file, Angular consolidates the site's components into their own distinct folders with specifically purposed JavaScript and CSS elements. We have also decided to use TypeScript for the Infinite Woman, as its object-oriented nature will ease implementation of interactive elements for our project. Furthermore, we are using Ionic because its built-in tools will facilitate implementation of our website's broader functionality.
Part of Sprint 1 included solidifying our project management plan. Since this semester focuses on agile product development, we decided to create a Trello board with columns dedicated to About, Backlog, To Do, In Progress, Review/QA, and Done tasks. Each card in our board is tagged with labels indicating task type, priority, and front or back end status.
In the next sprint, we will refine our product by adding additional functionality to the Infinite Scroller, as well as basic workspace functionality. We plan to add procedural generation of text via an n-gram to the Infinite Scroller so that the placeholder text will be replaced by randomly generated content that we will later be able to adapt to be based off the contents of the Infinite Woman and the second text, the two texts our client wished for us to use for this function. We will also add the canvas, the main form of user interaction, to the website and allow the user to be able to click on scrolling text to send it to this workspace.